The little purple box with big value is here. So if you want to see what's in this volume, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay with us, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Trendmood is not a subscription box. They offer whenever, at random times, I don't even know, I've never kept track to see if it was quarterly or how often they do this. They offer these boxes and they put together a variety. Sometimes they have takeover boxes, other times it's a variety. This is a variety volume box, it's not a takeover. And you'll get some skincare, maybe some makeup. It really just depends upon what's in there. They tend to go for, I think, around $44, but if you've purchased from them before, they send you a discount code. Usually it's 10%. This time it was 15%. So I was super excited about that. So I did get this at a really good price, only because I've purchased it before though, not because I have any special relationship with Trendmood. There is your sneak peek. This does not come with a card, but when you go online, it does show you the retail value of each item in here. So I will do that later, and I'll pop those prices right up there. From True Botanicals is the Ginger Turmeric Cleansing Balm. It does come with a little bamboo spatula. Very, very pretty. The bottom even has like little feet. Ooh, look at that yellow. Smells delicious. Gotta watch out, Chloe might try to eat this. And I love cleansing balms for getting makeup off, so I'm always excited to try out a new one. Right now I'm using the minimal one that I got in my Goldie boxed at my mom's house, and at home I have a pharmacy one that I got in, I don't know, Ipsy, BoxyCharm, something like that. I love them both. By Biossance is their squalene and vitamin C rose oil. Now I hear great things from some of you about this company. It's a very expensive brand from what I've seen. This says it's facial oil to visibly brighten and firm, so who doesn't like that? And you can use this morning and night. This is vegan, so there's squalane with an A and squalene with an E, and the A is a plant-derived form of it. So if you are looking for a vegan product, you want to look for the one with the A in it. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. And this is a clean beauty company. Also by Biossance is the squalane and marine algae eye cream. And this is a half an ounce. There's how that looks. By Copari is a face SPF 30. This is vegan and cruelty-free with the Leaping Bunny. And it has a pearlescent finish to it to illuminate your skin. So great way to kind of get that illumination without having to put some makeup on, particularly if you're going to the beach or something like that. By Nabla is their Vicious Volume and Define Mascara. And here is what it says it's going to do. And there is the wand. And it shows you, it's another picture of the wand from the, if you were looking at it. It has a micro claw to define every single lash. Multiple reservoirs to boost volume to the lash line. But just look at that. I mean, you just want that to sit on your makeup table and maybe even never use it. I mean, I'll use it, but like when it's all used up, I'm still gonna keep that because, come on, that's gorgeous. And by KVD is the Lock It Pore Refining Primer. And there's how that looks. So that is my Trendmood box, and you do know beforehand, so you know if it's a box you want to buy. They currently, I don't know if they currently still have this on sale, but they did currently re-release, I think, the last one, which had like a Nabla palette in it. So if you go onto their website, you may be able to snag that. I don't have any discount codes. There may be somebody out there who does, but I don't. So I just have a discount code when it comes out for early access, because I have purchased it before. So once you do purchase it, they will send you a discount code for early access. They did not send me a discount code for the re-released box. If I did, I'd share it with you, but I don't. So the last thing I just want to go over is sometimes when I get things, you guys say, well, tell me how that's working for you. So this was one product that I did have a couple people ask me about, and that's the Aveda Pure Abundance Style Prep, and this is for fine to thin hair. I did use it today, so I do feel like it does give some volume. I feel like my hair is a little bit more kind of puffy than it usually is, so I like this product. I would definitely repurchase this product. And then for my eye look today, I used the Kazi palette, and this is by St. Angel Sinners, and it is gorgeous. I put this on this morning at 5:45, 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm filming this at about 7:30 at night. So as you can see, as far as staying power, it does have long staying power. I did use the Gerard Cosmetics primer beforehand to really make sure to lock it into place, because I knew it was going to be a hot day. It was a hot day. I did have to do some walking outside, and my hair is not flat, and my eyeshadow is still on. So that to me is always a plus. This is the Color Story. I did just get this and was so excited to use it. And if you haven't checked out Saints Angel Sinners and you're interested, she does have an Etsy site where her products are. Sometimes they're on sale. So right now there are a few different codes for, I think, 20% off. And they did just have 40% off. Now, when you're purchasing something that is pre-order, it hasn't even been made yet. So understand that. If it says in stock, you're going to get it quickly. If it says pre-order, that means it's going to be a while. I think I ordered these a couple of months ago, and they were pre-order. Now, I understand that these have to be made, and I would rather wait and get a fantastic product than have something quickly slapped together. So I appreciate that. I am not one that gets upset if I know it's pre-order. I understand that. If you want something in the now, order something that is in stock. But I can tell you that the duochromes are so lovely. The mattes are nice too, but you know, I am a shimmery duochrome kind of girl, so I'm always gravitating towards that. When I saw this palette, I said, ooh, that's got some lovely colors. She does have a new one. I just got a new car, so I can't justify buying eyeshadow right now, but I had already ordered these, so it's okay. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.